Hey everyone, in this video, let's see how you can release a song on Ditto Music. In order to do so, here we are at dittomusic.com. And what is Ditto all about? Well, you can release unlimited music everywhere, upload to all the biggest platforms, access our industry tools, and keep 100% of your royalties. You can come here to try it for free. Global music distribution. Drop unlimited singles, EPs, and albums on more global music stores than anywhere else. Release to the biggest music streaming, download, and social platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Amazon, Deezer, Instagram, and Tidal, and more. Keep 100%. All the royalties you earn go straight into your pocket. We believe artists should stay independent, keep control of their careers, and not be tied down by unfair deals and shady industry contacts. The plans for every artist, label, and music pro. We've got the starter, the pro, and labels. Upload as much music as you want to every music platform and keep 100% of your royalties with the starter. With the Pro, you can access industry-leading tools designed to raise your profile and turn your music into more money. And with labels, everything you need to manage multiple artists and unlock new revenue streams for your label. So if you're interested in Ditto Music, come to dittomusic.com to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.